afternoon, everybody. Decided to make a quick video. Today is Vlogmas day. Ooh, day 22. So I'm gonna. I got a little Brando by the time he sees up to his favorite thing. Gotta love that. Gotta work on his own. Even though I make a good if my birthday runs during the workday, if it's not Friday or Monday, I'm not gonna take it off. But I wanted to hop online real quick because we are wrapping up Vlogmas. There are 2 more days left. I wanted to share because I've met a lot of people in a lot of YouTube, and I want to share with you guys that I've learned. You can go out to your channel and change it now, but I'm sure that there's stuff out there on how to change your URL. So when you reach 100 subscribers, number one, congratulations. Change your URL. You can go to youtube.com/April Bebee. You can, whatever your channel is called, see if that name's available. I just changed Mr. YouTube.com/our couples. And our couple was monetized yesterday, December 20th. Thank you to all the J Gang out there. And we'll be putting out more content. We had kind of slowed up because, you know, and if you try to call, good luck. For some reason, our channel was set up and we were learning, but I had to sit there and just figure it out and figure it out. And it took me several months. We had over 7,000, almost 2,000 subscribers, and we weren't monetized because we couldn't figure out what we were doing wrong. But once we out, it kicks it over to Google. They'll put it in review. Now, our review process was about, let's see. So it was like the first week of December, and we're heading towards the end. It's about 3 weeks, a 3 weeks review process. And they tell you it takes them about a month or so. So it depends on how many people are eligible for monetization. The next goal after you reach 100 subscribers, your milestone should be 1,000 subscribers. Why 1,000 subscribers? Because now, in order to be monetized, you have to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, not minutes, hours. So remember that. And then another thing for up and coming YouTubers, the beginners. So because this is Vlogmas, I would recommend creating a playlist. And you can call it, I think I called mine Vlogmas 2018. Every video that you did for Vlogmas, add it to your playlist. And you say, well, why April Bebee? Why add it to your playlist? I'm a big YouTube watcher. And I will allow the next video to just play. So I play it on my television. I clean my house. I'll give you an example. Glamazante. I'll watch Glamazante's vlog And if she has her videos on a playlist, once I watch the newest video, it'll kick in and watch the next video and the next video and the next video. So if this is your first Vlogmas, create a playlist, put your vlogs in order for Vlogmas. And that way, when a subscriber or a viewer is watching, it'll take it to the next video. And the other thing that's exciting that I learned this week was end cards. And it's so neat. End cards will allow you to promote videos on your channel. It will allow you to have your subscribe icon at the end of your channel. And you can promote other channels that you're promoting. You can promote other videos. It'll allow you 4 ads or 4 what they're called elements. So if you see that featured, let's say you've uploaded a video already and it's been out all month. I went through my Vlogmas and I added end cards to every single video. Why? Because that will drive the user to click on what they want to see. Some of those videos aren't even a part of Vlogmas where I've added an end card. Let's say on the gossip on Cardi B or Tekashi 6ix9ine or an old video that I did on shrimp enchiladas. So if I want more views and I want to drive more views to that video, I'm going to put it on a popular video and place that end card for that video that has lesser viewers or less views. So that's something new I learned. And then the other thing is the value of your description area. Take a look at my description area on all my Vlogmas videos. Yesterday, I went through and created individual hyperlinks for each video during Vlogmas. So if someone wanted to click on day 19, click it. Day 1, click. Day 2, click. Or they can just let the playlist play and they can go through the entire, well, right now, after I upload this one, 22 days. But it's a way to keep things clean and organized for your channel. What other tips can I give you? And I'm trying to think of valuable things that has helped me. Currently, so there was something going on where YouTube on December 13th or 14th scrubbed channels and took away subscribers of, I guess, fake accounts. So there were people out there with fake accounts or accounts that weren't used. So it took my subscribers down. I was hoping to hit 1,000 by December 31st. Right now, I am at about 460. So I lost about, I think I lost about 200 or 300 subscribers because if you look at my earlier videos in the month, I think I was at 600 or 700. So I've been diligently working on building subscribers for my channel, marketing in different groups, looking at other videos and looking at what they did to get their name out there. So I also market on Twitter, Instagram, other social media platforms. I found a website called sherry.com. You can also promote in Facebook groups. You can promote in Facebook groups of interest. So, for example, I do a video on Real Housewives of Atlanta. I went out there, said, hey, check out my video. We're discussing this episode. And as you guys may all know, I love After Lockup. Me and Mr. Brando, we do a review / kind of mukbang. We've been playing with it because we also put that same video on our mukbang channel. So it's kind of like a 2-for-1. But this month has taught me to be very creative. And also, if you don't own this, I suggest you go buy YouTube channels for dummies. And I did like a little, well, Mr. Brando filmed me on his little device there. And we were making fun at DJ Khaled's video and just being silly, being our silly selves that we know to be. But those are some of my tips and tricks. You know, subscribe to my channel if you are new to YouTube and you have questions that maybe I can answer, I'm not sure if I can answer them all, but you know, I recently added a lady that we've been going back and forth to my channel. I subscribed to her channel. She subscribed to mine. But I kind of noticed a few things. And I was like, let me get out here and tell the people about some of the little tricks I learned along the way. And I'm learning as I go. I'm finding out new things. I'm looking at seasoned YouTubers, and I look with a different eye now that I have a channel. So anyway, enough of me rambling. I just wanted to stop for a minute. I thought about it and I was like, let me tell the people what I learned. So hit 100 subscribers, change your URL. Hit 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 hours, you become monetized. Create a playlist, so it will continue on to the next video, and it won't suggest, because YouTube will suggest someone else's video if you don't have a playlist, if you don't have things in order. It's gonna give it to someone else, and they're gonna gain a view off of the back of your channel, or your video, should I say. Know the value of the description bar. Create hyperlinks down there. Create shortcut keys. Also, there's a shortcut for subscribing to one's channel. There's a video out there on that. And so if, let's say you're on a Facebook chat and you say, hey, subscribe to my channel, there is a way to create a hyperlink that when that person clicks that, it'll automatically pop up a window and say, you know, do you want to subscribe, yes or no, or confirm subscribing. That's another way. You kind of want to make things as easy as possible on your viewers, and it will push them to subscribe. Like, they have to go searching for something. You want to take all of that out there. So create the hyperlinks in your descriptions for all your videos for Vlogmas. Use that description area. Use those hashtags. Use those tags. That's going to drive more viewers to your channel. So if you do a mukbang video, if you're doing a vlog, hashtag mukbang, hashtag whatever you're doing, whatever the activity is, make sure you choose the right category. And I know I'm rambling now. End note cards are important. Place them properly. Oh, and I've learned about music. Oh my gosh, the copywriting issues behind music, that's been a challenge, because I was under the impression you could use 20 seconds of anything. That's not true. I used, and it was a popular song, a current song. I think it's called Lucid Dreams. And I was flagged. And I was like, why am I being flagged? I only used like 15, 20 seconds in the outro. So once it flagged me, I went through YouTube's free music. There's an audio button for you in YouTube Creator, for all you channel, you know, you YouTube influencers or creators out there that are beginning. There is an audio button. Below that, they'll have a list of different types of music. So, yeah, that was another big thing that I learned this month. So we got we covered the descriptions. Hashtags are important. Tags are important. Make sure you fill in those tags at the bottom with the various subject matters. There's things you want to think about. Your title, right? Your description, within the description, make sure you have those hashtags, and then the tags below. So you want to say something in the title if you're doing a mukbang. You want to say something in the description, or a hashtag within the description if you're doing a mukbang. Then you want to describe a short description of what you're doing in the video, of course, using the word mukbang. And then in the tag section, mukbang again. Why? Because that's going to push you up the analytics. Like for the analytics, there's some weird thing that they have going. And like I said, I've read all of this in the YouTube dummy book. It's going to push you up higher and higher. So when you start searching for your video, let's say you did a Pizza Hut mukbang, and you say, well, why am I not showing up? And then you get to like the third or fourth page, you're all the way back there. That's because you gotta use all of the tags in proper areas. You got to fill out your description area. You got to use a hashtag within your description, the tag below as well, and the title. And then I also learned using an awesome thumbnail helps drive traffic. So just remember all those things. My channel technically really doesn't have a theme. However, Mr. Brando's does. Mr. Brando hit all his numbers in 10 days. 10 days. He has a hot topic that everyone loves, or there's a, let me say not everyone, there's a following for. So he was able to hit more than 1,000 subscribers. I think he's sitting at 1,600 now. It's December 22nd. Okay, he really started his channel on December 7th. 4,000 views, he knocked that out the park. Like I said, 10 days. So he's under review for monetization. Remember to give yourself time, allow yourself a month, plan out your content. I'm really looking forward to 2019. I hope this video helps somebody out there. You know, like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Inbox me on YouTube. Become my friend. I'll try to help you. We can help each other because I don't know everything about YouTube, but I'm sure willing to learn. So you guys have a great day and happy birthday, Mr. Brando. I'm hoping you're having a good day at work, but I'll see you soon. All right. Bye, everybody.